respected and honored Chief Minister Gujarat, Sri Narendra Modi ji, dignitaries on the dais, distinguished delegates to this all-important conference, E-India, on behalf of CSDMS, Center for Science, Development and Media Studies, ELET Media, the Gujarat Government, Department of Science and Department of Information Technology, Gujarat Government, and also on behalf of DIT Government of India, I deem it a great pleasure and privilege to extend a warm welcome to all of you. If it had been in Delhi, I would have said a cold welcome because the temperature was very low there today. E-India is a knowledge platform, sir, to gather thought leadership, scholars, practitioners, policymakers, government functionaries, as well as academia from various states and various countries also, and to collaborate, become engaged in a continuing dialogue which would ultimately lead to appropriate, innovative, and groundbreaking policy solutions to the impediments confronting the ICT for development communities. Now, why Gujarat? People have been asking. The answer is very simple, because Gujarat leads India insofar as ICT applications in governance is concerned. And it is all known to you that I did not. It is sort of a growth engine. Gujarat's growth rate is speedier than that of the country, and 16% of India's industrial output and 22% of its export are generated in the state. The state is fast becoming a refineries and ports hub, and it is anticipated that exporters might soon switch from China to India, giving Gujarat's textile industry a huge boost. When it comes to e-governance, sir, there is no doubt that Gujarat is one of the top states in the country. Many of the other speakers would also substantiate what I say. The government of Gujarat has recognized that in order to make governance effective, it had to reach the taluka level and beyond, even the villages. All of the 13,693 village panchayats in the state are the knowledge centers they have become now. You have anything good on the field of ICT governance you can quote. And 50,000 kilometers of optical fiber in Gujarat equips functionaries with a robust platform to stay connected 24 hours, 7 days with all the citizens, accessible at every Gram Panchayat office. Most of you know about whatever I am just telling this. The main problem is that so far, the main advantage here is that you have a chief minister who is ready to welcome you. I wanted to tell you, sir, that as soon as I got down on the airport and we were driving, wherever we saw your photographs, we thought that you were coming forward to welcome us. Please come over. This is what I told somebody else also. Everywhere we get a feeling that here is a man who says, please come and do something good for Gujarat. And you have done a lot also in the field of education. SMART goals is one of the things. Education for all is a major project that you have done. Agriculture, sir. Again, as I told you, that I can keep on reeling out statistics, whatever you have done, and also the field of health scenario. And I hope that at this conference, when we wanted to do it, I have given you the answer, why Gujarat, why not some other state? This is the reason that we wanted, and we have the CSDMS, which is the organizer, along with ELET Media and the Gujarat government. We have been organizing this next 3 days. I am really grateful, not only to the Chief Minister, but also to the bureaucrats the technocrats working under him, but for whose assistance this would not have been really possible. And I would rather conclude by telling that CSDMS and Elet Media, we really feel proud and happy that we have been associated with this major event. It is going to be, I can assure you, a memorable event, and most of you will only substantiate it during the course of the validity session after 3 days. And thank you very much.